Watch out for the sharks when you start your trading career. We'll talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and we're in Perth, Western Australia. As you can see, beautiful coastline here, stunning beaches, probably the best beaches in the Southern Hemisphere. But we're famous here for having a lot of shark attacks in the last 15, 16 years. When I first arrived here, there hadn't been a fatality shark attack for decades. But in the last 15 years, we've had several and become the most prominent spot on the globe for shark attacks. One thing about this is that it relates heavily to trading, is that trading and the trading business is full of sharks. Interestingly enough, great whites especially tend to attack from the bottom up, although they have taken surfers out of the waves, but they tend to come aggressively from beneath to attack their victim. Now, interesting with trading is that when you enter into the trading game, we enter in with a lot of optimism and hope, and it looks easy. We look at some charts, somebody shows us how to do it. It looks simple when we look from where we would have bought on the left of the screen and where we would have sold on the right. But interestingly enough, as you go down that rabbit hole, you start to get into the quagmire where all of a sudden, perhaps if you're like me, your account, every trade you took, it was a loser, till you get to the point where it seems like no matter what you do, the market goes against you, and you start to think that the markets are manipulated. You think that they know in advance of where you're going to be trading, and you're sort of right there. But the sharks are out there, and the sharks, no matter what instrument you're trading, what market you're involved in, you need to know your environment, and you need to know when their feeding time is. So if you're day trading and you're in the Forex markets, you need to know that the bank is the largest player in the market, and they make up anywhere from 50 to 70% at times of the volume going through the market. And so there's a lot of lack of transparency in terms of being able to really see how they're moving the market unless you understand when they're in the market, what their objective is in the market, and how you can position yourself to possibly, number one, limit your downside, number two, have a high probability of being on side with the banks, and number three, knowing when to get out and to extract some profits out of the market. So you're the victim in the Forex market, and there's lots of sharks out there. We had a fatality on a gentleman on Monday overseas. He was kite surfing. He was from Fremantle, and we had another attack on Monday down south in Yellingup. So don't be surprised. There's lots of sharks out there. They come in all shapes and sizes. You need to know your environment. You need to know how to limit your downside. So you need to know maybe when to stay out of the market. It's like staying out of the ocean during certain times of the year. You need to know how deep you can go before you're in over your head. You need to be aware of when to stay out of the market completely. But you also know there's great opportunities to take advantage of being in the market and to get out of the market with a piece of the pie and take it home with you. So watch out for the sharks, traders. Stay disciplined, stay focused. I never said it was easy, but I did say it was worth it. And may the markets go with you. Have a great trading week.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments, As always, traders, stay disciplined and may the markets go with you.